This is going to be a simple demo to show you how a 360-degree camera works on a drone using the AVATA360. Here we go. First, we launch the drone. And now if you look at the drone flying, you can see the nose is pointing this way. So I'm going to stand behind it. And I'm just going to show you how a 360 camera works. So normally you would point the nose at yourself, but on a 360 camera, it doesn't matter which way the nose is pointed. So let me just show you. If you stare at my controller, I'm going to show you my remote controller right here. I am going to go and show you that I can look all over the place. So on the screen, the nose is pointing that way. And I'm just going to go tap on the lower left. And now I have vision assist, so it's going to show me other areas. So you can see I can look to the right by clicking the right arrow. I can look over to the left. I can look at the ground. Oh, sorry, that's back. I can look forward, and I can look up at the sky, and I can look down. So these are all the areas you can record. So let's just leave it looking that way, the way it is. So now to record video with a drone with a 360 camera, you really don't have to point the nose at anything. You just go fly and fly near the things you want to film. I'll show you what I mean. So if you look back at my recording display, I'm going to turn on record over on the right. There we go. So now it's recording, but it's recording everything, the entire world. But I just want to show you this. So use this camera as well as my hand cam. Look at him walking around the drone here. You don't see the camera following me. You don't see the drone turning to follow me or anything like that. I can walk under it here, mess up the optical flow. And yeah, I can't jump over it. But anyways, that's pretty much it. So now what I want to show you is I'm just going to replay that video back, but I'm going to edit the video so that it follows me around the entire way when I was walking. Here we go. So now it's recording, but it's recording everything, the entire world. But I just want to show you this. So use this camera as well as my hand cam. Look at him walking around the drone here. You don't see the camera following me. You don't see the drone turning to follow me or anything like that. I can walk under it here, mess up the optical flow. And yeah, I can't jump over it. But anyways, that's pretty much it. The next question I always get about 360 cameras on drones is, why is there no gimbal? You know, like you have a gimbal, a 3-axis gimbal on most drones, and that keeps the camera straight and level. This doesn't need that because it's recording the entire world. So the entire world is always going to be straight and level. And the next question I always get is, how do you look up and down with a 360 camera? Well, you look just like on a normal drone, except the gimbal is not moving, but the image will go up and down. Let me show you. I don't know if you can see this. I'm looking at the camera, but I can move it down. See, I'm going down, looking at my feet or the ground. But if you look here, this is not moving at all as I'm doing all this. And if you wanted to, there's no limit on how far you want to go up and around. Let me just show you what I mean. So I'll stand over here. I'm going to make it go down. I'm going to speed up the video here so it goes faster. You can also spin it the other way like this. You know, you can do that on some drones that have a gimbal that allows you to spin it. This one you can spin this way as well. What would that be called? Horizontally to vertically to horizontally? Let me show you. So I'm spinning it. And once again, the gimbal's not moving, but it's just spinning. So it's just the way you're looking around the world. You can do all sorts of effects like this. It's pretty cool. And the final thing I wanted to show you with a 360 camera on a drone is that if you select something on your display, you could have the drone move and always track it from the nose, or you could have it sit still and always track it internally in the video. Watch. So I'm standing up front. I will select myself. If you notice on my screen, I have standard and free, so I've got it on standard. Standard means if I move, this moves, see? Just like a real drone. Notice how the nose comes around, follows me wherever I go, and it records that in the video. But with this type of drone, you really don't need that. So I'm going to put it on free. So I go up here and I click on free. Now with free, I'm selected. So you get 2 images. This is where the vision assist comes in. So watch when I walk around. You see, look at the left-hand corner. That is what the drone is recording. And what you see on the bigger image is where the drone is flying. So if I was flying this around, I'd have 2 images. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple, isn't it?